Have you ever wondered? Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inquisitive Creation. My name is Gilo, and I will be your trusted companion to explain things you ever wondered about but does not exactly know what they are. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate relationship between dietary fiber, protein, and carbohydrate fermentation. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you think about food forever. But before we start, if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an informative and thought-provoking video. Fiber is often underappreciated, relegated to the role of being the unsung hero of our gut health. This complex carbohydrate plays a crucial role in orchestrating a delicate balance between protein and carbohydrate fermentation in our digestive system. Now, let's try to break down what fiber really is. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. It comes in two main forms: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that can help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, doesn't dissolve but adds bulk to our stool, promoting regular bowel movements. Now, you might be wondering, what does fiber have to do with protein and carbohydrates? Well, it turns out everything. You see, when you eat, not all of your food gets digested in your small intestine. Some of it makes its way to your large intestine, where your gut microbes are waiting to feast. These microbes ferment the leftover carbohydrates and proteins, producing various compounds that can either benefit or harm your health. And this is where the magic of fiber comes in. When your gut microbes ferment carbohydrates, they produce short-chain fatty acids like acetate, propionate, and butyrate. These short-chain fatty acids are incredibly beneficial for your health. They help maintain the integrity of your gut lining, reduce inflammation, and even influence your metabolism and appetite. However, on the flip side, when proteins are fermented, the byproducts can be less friendly. We're talking about compounds like ammonia, amines, and hydrogen sulfide. In high amounts, these can be toxic and potentially contribute to conditions like colorectal cancer. You see, fiber acts like a traffic controller in your gut. When both fiber and protein are present in our gut, microbes prefer to ferment fiber first. This preference helps reduce the fermentation of protein, which can otherwise lead to the production of potentially harmful compounds. But that's not all. Fiber also influences which bacteria thrive in your gut. A diet rich in diverse plant fibers promotes a diverse and resilient microbiome. When it comes to your gut bacteria, diversity is key. Now, let's talk about the practical implications of all this. How does this fiber-driven balance in your gut impact your health? First up, weight management. Those short-chain fatty acids we talked about earlier, they can help regulate your appetite and metabolism. Some studies have shown that people with higher levels of short-chain fatty acids tend to have lower body fat percentages. A balanced gut microbiome, promoted by adequate fiber intake, can also help reduce systemic inflammation. This is crucial because chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health issues, from heart disease to depression. But wait, there's more. A fiber-rich diet that promotes a healthy balance of fermentation in your gut may also offer a wide array of additional health benefits. I mentioned such a diet can improve your blood sugar control, which is crucial for preventing and managing diabetes. As well, fiber plays a role in lowering cholesterol levels, contributing to better heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Perhaps one of the most promising benefits is its potential to reduce the risk of certain cancers, especially colorectal cancer. This protective effect is thought to be due to fiber's ability to promote regular bowel movements and reduce exposure time to potential carcinogens. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how much fiber do I need? The recommended daily intake of fiber is about 25 to 30 grams for adults. But here's the kicker, most people only get about half that amount. Let's look at some fiber-rich foods to help you boost your intake. Fruits like raspberries, pears, and apples are great sources. Vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and Brussels sprouts pack a fiber punch. Don't forget about legumes like beans and lentils, they're fiber superstars. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds are also excellent choices. Here's a good tip for you. Aim for variety. Different types of fiber feed different beneficial bacteria, so the more diverse your plant intake, the more diverse and resilient your gut microbiome will be. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. We've talked a lot about carbohydrate fermentation, but what about protein? Isn't protein good for us? Absolutely. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. The key is balance. You want to consume enough protein for your body's needs, but not so much that excessive amounts reach your large intestine for fermentation. Recent research suggests that the type of protein you eat can also influence your gut microbiome. For example, plant-based proteins tend to be better for gut health than animal proteins. This doesn't mean you need to go vegetarian, but incorporating more plant-based protein sources into your diet could benefit your gut microbes. But let's bring it back to you. How can you use this information to improve your health starting today? First, start paying attention to your fiber intake. Read nutrition labels and choose foods high in fiber. Remember, whole foods are generally better sources of fiber than processed foods. Second, diversify your diet. Eat a wide variety of plant-based foods to ensure you're feeding all the different beneficial bacteria in your gut. Third, balance your protein intake. Make sure you're getting enough, but not overdoing it, and consider incorporating more plant-based protein sources. But remember, everyone's gut is unique. What works for one person might not work the same for another. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and don't be afraid to experiment. The key takeaway is this. Your gut is an incredibly complex ecosystem, and what you eat plays a crucial role in maintaining its balance. By focusing on fiber-rich foods and balancing your protein intake, you can promote a healthy environment for your gut microbes, which in turn supports your overall health. So, the next time you're planning your meals or doing your grocery shopping, think about your gut bacteria. Are you feeding them well? Are you promoting a healthy balance of fermentation? Remember, every bite you take is an opportunity to nourish not just yourself, but the trillions of microbes that call you home. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of gut health. I hope you've gained some valuable insights and feel empowered to make choices that support your gut microbiome. Remember, a happy gut often means a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and nutrition. Until next time, this is your friend Gilo signing off from Inquisitive Creation. Thanks so much for watching.